Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Project Portugal. This week Nick nearly finishes a project.
And talking about nearly finishing projects, I nearly finished the Foggy's driveway for them. They helped a bit as well.
Oh,
So this morning I'm here with the Foggies.
Hello.
And we're going to do some additional work on the driveway. So here we go, carrying on from last week in typical YouTube fashion. I've cut the gate up without filming it, but I'll show you. So as you can see from last week's video, I've made several attempts to try and cut this door into the sizes I needed. I went and bought the right disc for the disc cutter, and I cut it to the correct sizes. So there we have it. Basically I've cut in half down the middle and then shaved a piece off the top of this so it's the same height, and then I'm going to weld it back on this end like so. That'll give me a gate 2.4 wide, which just so happens to fit the gap. So there we go, that's roughly what the gate is going to look like. All I need to do now is clean up where I need to weld it and weld it together, and I need to find a piece of metal just to get that end the right length. But before I do that, in the process of cleaning it up, I've bought this cheap little sandblaster thing from the supermarket Lidl. So I've got some aluminium oxide grit, yeah, and we pour it in the back of here, put a nozzle on, put air in the bottom of there, and let's see how it works. So fill this up with grit. I'll show you what it's like. It's just like you would have on sandpaper, really. Aluminium oxide, I should imagine. Oh, just say aluminium oxide. There we go. And we'll put the air onto here. Oops. Like so. And I'll get some goggles. Let's see how good it is, or how bad it is. So let's just say it works. Very slowly, nothing like I thought it would. Probably won't be using it. I'll stick with this. See what I mean? Much easier, much quicker. I think it's because I've seen sandblasting done commercially, and you expect a little thing from Lidl's to be the same. Not quite like it. All ready for me to just tack it together now. I need some weight to hold this down. Just a couple of little spots.
So we're looking for a few little welds across it like that, just to hold it together. I'll turn it over and weld the other side now.
So the glamorous assistant has turned up just as I've finished welding the other side of that joint. I've got to cut this little bit off the top here, and over this side I'll show you. Oh. As you can see here, the end of this is missing, so I've got to find a piece of angle iron to fit there to there. Job done. So there we go, all welded up, and mainly sanded down some real rough pieces which are bare metal. I've got to do a bit more sanding and then prime the bare metal bits and then paint it up. So this morning I'm here with the Foggies.
Hello.
And we're going to do some additional work on the driveway, cut the edge so the car can get into it properly, and concrete in the bottom of the slope so they've got somewhere to drive onto, because this stuff needs digging out the same as we did with here in the future. Maybe not now, but that's today's little job.
Psyched.
On. What's a choke? Oh yeah, but on it.
Classic. Did you press go then?
No.
Is the fuel thing on?
I turned it, so maybe it wants to go that way then.
It's going on to on, isn't it?
Yeah. Hang on, just try that. No. It'll be there.
It just died.
So what I'm doing here is, on some of them, guessing the line of what we can get in there. This one I will actually measure it, because we can go, let's say 80 mil there, so I'll just transfer that to there, just that line, so that's that point there, and then let's say at this point, which is 40 mil in, at that point we need to be, ooh, not even 20, 15 mil, so we need to be to there, and then we'll do a line like that, and that should give us that piece. And yet this one, so if I put 2 on there, and turn it around, and put this piece, which needs to be 130 at this point, so it'll be there, and nothing here, so that needs to go there, to nothing, which is there. We'll put 3 on there, and 3 on there, so that covers those 2. Yay! Again here, there needs to be a bit of slack with it, 45, so we go 45, which is just beyond that tip of there, and so they're 200 long, so if we mark 200 there, measure how far in that is,
which is going to be about 50. So if we're measuring 50 there, and we draw a line between there and it would be here. See this line where it meets the outside edge? Yeah, something like that. That bit will go there.
So there we go, this part of the driveway done. So plenty of sand on it to rub in the joints. And two happy chappies.
Happy campers.
Awesome. I'll show you it from the top. So there we go. So this is deliberately higher than the road to stop water running down there. And you're just going to fill this in with like hardcore stuff. The stuff that the road's made from. There, much easier now.
So we're going to put a bolt through there, this wheel onto there, and if that's done up tightly, this will roll and it sticks below the gate a little bit. So what I'm going to do is, let me demonstrate. So the purpose of the wheel, I'm going to fix a piece of angle iron to the ground, which then the gate can slide back and forth on. Don't leave me a lot of tolerance like that, but it's enough. It's enough. Yeah, loving that. Nice smooth action. So all I've got to do is clear the ground, fix some angle iron down, paint the gates, etc, etc.
So that's the back all painted. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to ask my neighbour to put the swimmer away. No, I'm not. I'm going to dig this out and I'll show you how we're going to make this gate work.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So, looking like we might have rain this afternoon, so I better be quick with this. It's nice and warm, so what I've decided to do with the paint is thin it down a little bit and spray it on. See how it goes. As predicted, it started to rain. Carry it in there. No, it's not wide enough, is it? I'll open that door. No, I know what to do. I'm running around like an idiot.
I don't know what to do either.
Okay. This way. Should be able to. Oh, Gilmore, come on. Yep. So all I have to do now is this piece of steel on the floor. I'll make basically I'll dig a little trench, concrete it in, or concrete the trench in, set the piece of steel on the concrete so it's level, and then when it's gone off I'll drill holes and fix it in with concrete screws. But that works fine. Really pleased. The ground is really hard, so I'm going to try this. Yep, working fine. So as you can see now, I've dug a trench where the bit of angle iron is going to go. I'm now going to fill that with concrete and place the iron on top and then the gate. And I'm not going to do it now, but at a later stage. So I'll put a post in for the gate to meet up to, and as you can see we have some plumbing to reroute because it's right in the sort of in the way there. So I'll reroute the plumbing at a later stage. But for now, I'll fill in this post hole, and then I'll reconcrete this after I've rerouted the plumbing. But yeah, all dug out now, nice neat sides as you can see. So let's get mixing concrete.
Need a hand with that?
No. Now I'll tap it down so it's flush with the concrete there, and the dog walks in it. Still. There you go.
Good.
Need to get a close up of the bubble.
Hang on. This is one of Nick's. Oh look, I've just done it so perfect. at the moment, so here we go. Don't know if you can see that.
Very, very slightly falling to close.
Oh, how do you do it, darling? How many years of practice?
Too many.
Yeah. Oh.
So I'm putting the gate on while it's still wet, just in case I've miscalculated and it's not in line. I can still move it, so it should be okay, but you never know. Perfect. Just misses it. Like that. Dirt in the wheel there. Yeah, just touches here, but it needs to come forward a bit, so that's great. All I need now is make something bolts to here, it goes down over there like that. Stop the gate falling over, obviously. So last little bits. And I need a hammer. So I've made this little bracket which screws onto the back of the gate post with two little, I don't know what you call them, things. And I'm just going to screw that there, like so. Check I got the right height on it. There we go. So the purpose of having this bit is it stops the gate from falling over either way, and it just guides it back up. Put two little rubber ends on so that it doesn't scratch the paintwork. That's working lovely.
I'm very pleased.
Even pleased the wife.
Happy wife.
Happy life. And while I've been doing this, what do you call it, rail for the gate, and just been busy tidying up. She gets really fed up with tidying up because that's all she tends to do, because I'm not very good at it. Is that
You're
right?
such a mucky pup, that's why, darling.
So yeah, she's cleared this area great, and she wants a big cactus bed or
Well, I don't know
succulents or-
yet. I mean, we'll because obviously we're going to have a bit of a drive, not drive, but where the tractor can.
Thoroughfare.
Oh, thoroughfare. So against the fence, I'd like some sort of gardeny bit. So we've got a nice rose in here. There's obviously the giant yucca. The mallow will go. This all just needs clearing out in here. So
White lilac in there as well.
yeah, it's this needs a bit of TLC. It's got a few issues in here, but I think if I can get in there, once we've got the gate up and out the way, we can get around that side bit a bit better. We've got, I don't know if you can see, but we've got a beautiful rose in behind there.
I think I've got it. Can't see.
So yeah, it's a really nice colour, that one, so it'd be good to just be able to get in there. So trim the bay down a bit, and like I say, you know, we're in the process of just making our entrance more spectacular.
So I had to add this extra piece on the end. I didn't want to do any more welding, I'm fed up with it, so I just bolted it on. because I wanted the bracket that holds the gate upright on the back of the post. So from the front now you can see more of the post. It's quite nice.
Yeah, looks really good.
There we go. So there it is, all complete. Is that finished?
Nearly.
What needs to be done?
I'm sure I'll think of something.
Yeah, okay. So Andrew and I demonstrate the sliding, super sliding gate.
Isn't that nice?
So most of the time it will be there. It's only when now we can close this gate and let Max out. I've still got to make another gate to do it properly, and I've still got to do some.
Yes, I mean there's this little bit here to finish, so
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
sort of
okay.
part of the gate.
Okay.
So
I can't finish that until we get the tiles for here, which
Yeah.
are on order.
yay!
And yeah, so there we go,
Yes,
gate finished.
Excellent. Well done, darling. Good boy.
Okay, so that's all we have time for this week, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please give us a like. And if you did enjoy it and liked it, please, if you're not already, consider subscribing.
Yes,
And after all that, you can also
Ring
ring
that
that little
little
notification bell.
yes, that'd be really good. Thank you.
That notifies you for any future videos that we upload. You'll get a notification. And that's about it, apart from
Well, this video comes out on Fridays, so Friday is this handsome chap's birthday. He's 9.
Gilmore's 9.
So-
Oh dear.
So yes, he's old man now. So yes, it's Gilmore's 9th birthday. Well, on Friday day you see this. So send him a happy birthday.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye. It's your birthday. Yeah. Oh, good boy. Oh, good.
So we have our famous leaf balancing beetles. Just limbering up. I have no idea what it's doing.
I think it's trying to right itself, and it's using the leaf as leverage.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think if I... No, I think it's just he's practicing
No, I
leaf juggling.
leaf.
It's like turn it over.
Yeah.
Come on, mate. What are you doing? Oh, you silly arse. You won't let go. How am I supposed to turn you over there? Don't know if you can make this out. Just over there is a small snake in the pond. After the little frogs, I expect. It looks like the...
Oh yes.
I wonder if we can pick that up. Yeah. Some guy across the road with a really annoying chainsaw.
Look, there's a tadpoles as well, though. Looks a bit.